this is ours, Adventureland Tower. Everything is done in 1950s style. It's so fabulous, and it's one of the original 2 towers. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Yeah, love it.
Lord, do you want your sunglasses?
There's pool shaped like the e-ticket. There's pool attendants there. I can't see anyone out yet, but maybe they will later. It seems a bit warmer today. It's just amazing. And this is how close we are to the parks. Come a little walk with me. Here we go. And then I'll say morning properly. I haven't said morning yet, have I? That's the reception area there in the Fantasy Tower. And we come round here and we've got the Mickey hat, saucer Mickey hat, which obviously has now been removed from Walt Disney World, but it's here. And that right in front, that is security, and that's Downtown Disney. That is how close we are here at the Disneyland Hotel. It's amazing. But that all being said, morning! It's our last day. Feeling very sad, very nostalgic. So happy we've managed to get here. Oh, the sun's out, can't see. Oh, can't see nothing. So yeah, let's go through security. Oh, I don't want your glasses, thanks so long. We're through security and I still can't see. I don't know, I'm gonna walk. I think I need my glasses, Phil. Yay, I can see. Still bright, but I can see. Say morning, peeps. Say morning.
Morning, people.
Kids are very antisocial this morning. Last day, sad day. We've done so much. I'm really sad. I've really enjoyed this. Still got loads to do. Very, very sad. It looks really busy today, so I've just said. Oh. And here we go into California Adventure. So this is literally the craziest we've seen it since we've come in. The kids have gone off to queue for Starbucks. I don't understand why the queues are so long. I really don't understand. It's the 2nd of January. Maybe everyone was asleep last night with hangovers yesterday. I don't understand it. I'd have thought today would have been a quieter day. But no, definitely not. So I'm thinking getting fast passes might be an issue today. But we've got, is it 8 or 9 left?
8.
8 left. So we know we can get on at least 2 rides. So where are we? So it's back of the head talks. Where are we?
Cars.
Cars. And what we're going to do, Sam, on this ride?
Hopefully not.
We're going to film you on the ride. What did you say? Because I love you, Mum. Did you say because I love you, Mum? I would never say it. Did you say because you're buying me a Spirit jersey, Mum? $70. Oh, because I'm giving $70 for a Spirit jersey. Oh, okay. So Blake's going to record us on this ride, and we did it. Was it Boxing Day we did it? Yeah. And it was absolutely amazing, wasn't it? So we're going to go on it now. I love Test Track, and I've done Test Track many times, and I loved it. But now I've been on the here. Well, Test Track just fades into insignificance, would you say?
I would, yeah. No, both rides are brilliant, but this is the ultimate, definitely.
It's great fun. And the first time I might have uttered a few words that aren't in the dictionary because it was a bit rough in places. So I know what I'm in for now, so I will be well prepared. So see you in the car.
Just follow me, Peter, coming, Sheriff. Howdy. Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Hey, here's no tractor tipping. It's easy. You sneak up on them and ready? Don't let Frank catch you.
Probably just a bad spark plug, hippie.
Welcome to Race Day.
Radiator Springs.
The champion needs speed
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
For you, my friend, only the best. Oh, yeah. Look. Oh, wonderful tires. Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
Okay.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief.
Get it into the groove. So pay attention.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Do it for the money. Do it for the show. Try to get ready. Come on.
That is definitely one of the best rides there, and for me it's like being on a giant scale electric. I mean,
It's one of the best rides Disney have done, actually.
yeah, it's
with the 3 parks that we've managed to get to, being of course Walt Disney World, Disneyland Paris and Disneyland California. It's definitely one of the best they've ever done,
completely. And the speed and the interaction and all the characters as you're going through, and absolutely phenomenal. So we're now heading over to pick up here. We haven't done it properly, it's our 5th day. First time here. How many days do you need? Do you need about 7? 5 wasn't enough. It hasn't cut it. I like to go in every shop, see every nook and cranny, look at all the restaurants, and I feel like we're going to leave and I still don't know Disneyland, if that makes any sense. Yeah, that's how I feel. Yeah, excuse to come back. So yeah, definitely 7 days if you get the chance to come, and you'll do it all and feel fulfilled, I think is a good word. So we're going to walk over to Pix Up here. Yep. Toy Story Mania, we've got fast passes. Max Fast Pass. Keep forgetting what it's called, so we've got that. And we've still got 7 fast passes for experiences, which theoretically is 1 for 2 for all of us, and one of us has only got 1. So yeah, so hopefully we'll get on a lot of rides today.
Honestly, yeah, for Disney, it's one of the best. Yeah.
Flo's wet in there, and we had burgers, and okay, me and Phil had a beer each, and it was $70.